Alright, so in this video we're going to be going over how to develop a class in QUIA. So you go over to create a class, that's after you had pressed the class button. I'm just going to name this one class 2. End date, let's say it's 02/24/2023. And then I'm going to enroll the class, so I will be responsible for enrolling the class. You go to submit. There's just some different things. You can write the school name, and then this is how the students can contact you. You can send a message to the whole class, and then all this stuff is just useful links, stuff like that. So then you'd go to save changes and edit roster. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna put a different name for people. So we're gonna create a few different people. I'm just gonna do their last name. And then for this one, it's gonna be my professor. And then I can enter their emails. This is optional, but I'm going to enter this email that I was given. Alright. And then we can save changes. Oh, sorry, I cannot just do that. So that's just name everybody Seth. Alright, then we're going to save changes. And then we're going to go over to, you go down here, so to the bottom of this, oh, actually, I'm sorry. First we have to change their password. So you can give them a specific password, or it's going to give them a password for you. I'm going to change the password to Truman. I'm going to save that. And then I can email each student his or her username and password. So I'm going to press send. And now my information has been requested. Has been emailed to the whole class. So that is how you create a class in QUIA.